Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 1 of the Adobe Muse tutorial series. So Adobe Muse is a web designing app that you can use to create websites without using HTML codes at all. So this is very much like print designing software. So if you are a graphic designer that is familiar with Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, then you can pick up on Muse quite easily because all of the tools are quite similar to those tools right there. So Adobe Muse is from Adobe itself, and therefore it matches with the interfaces of Adobe other Adobe Creative Suite softwares. So the Adobe Muse version that we are going to be using here is Adobe Muse 2015. So newer versions are better. You have to stick to newer versions for Adobe Muse because you want to stay up to date with the website designs and codes for web development. So let's get started. So once you open up Adobe Muse, what you have is you have the new and open option. So if you press open, then you have the you actually open up existing project. In our case, we will press new. So once you press new, go to file and new, you can see that there are different types of sites. So you can have columns based on site. So there's fluid website, which is the regular modern type of website, and there's fixed website. So fluid websites are those websites which changes sizes according to the device that you're viewing. For example, this will have a different layout for the tablet, different layout for the mobile phones, and different layout for the desktop, which will be making in further down the road. Fixed width websites, however, do not change according to the size of the window, the size of the screen, or anything. It just stays as it is. So you can also use advanced settings to increase the margins and have in resolution standards for standard resolution monitors or high-res monitors, that is retina displays like Mac Pros. So now we are going to go into further lessons. So once you create the fixed or fluid width, you simply have to create OK, and then a new blank canvas will be there. So further down the road, we develop the website. So we'll be continuing on with that in the further lessons. Just know that once you create the websites, all of the file menus are here on the top, toolbars on the left, and once you double click on it, the tools are on the right here as well. So this is how you create your first website. We'll be continuing down the lesson of the website plan and hierarchy in our further lessons. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.